Hi, my name is Paul Shin. While working as a freelance graphic designer for 5 years, I created a designer community with more than 10,000 active members. Fortunately, from this experience, I decided to create a software to address pain points of the visual data or image-based feedbacking process in general. Usually, we send file via email or chat to cross-check feedback left on visual data. Visual data and text feedback are often separated, making it difficult for the recipient to understand where and how the feedback applies on the image. Separate meetings are often needed for both parties to clarify their understanding of the feedback. For those reasons, we provide a virtual board where user can share text and visual feedback directly on the ultra-specific area where users want their feedback to apply. No need for separate meetings. We break down the barrier between physical and virtual meetings as we overcome the limit of the time and space. Thank you.